How hard is it to win a car accident lawsuit? Well, the simple answer is it depends and it's complicated. But here are some of the factors that help determine how difficult it will be to prevail or win on a car accident case. Is there any video evidence of the crash? If there's a video proof of how the crash happened, that can make a huge difference in how easily the case resolves. Are there witnesses? Were there witnesses uninvolved in the crash, bystanders, third-party witnesses who saw it happen and can explain who was at the intersection first, who turned in front of the other vehicle, things like that. So a lot of it depends on, is there physical evidence? Is there photographic or video evidence? Sometimes surveillance evidence, gas station security cameras, things like that can make a huge difference in how easy it is to settle these cases. Another big factor is, what do the police think? Now, what the police conclude happened, even after they do an investigation, generally isn't admissible at trial, but what the police officer concludes can often influence significantly how, for example, an insurance company evaluates the case, either in your favor or against you. How bad are the damages? How much physical damage is done to the vehicles? Do they look like they were in a crash? Did they have to be towed away? Could they be driven? Things of that nature. Some really significant evidence you don't know at the time, but black box data and other information collected by vehicles involved in a crash, whether it's cars, trucks, semis, things like that. That kind of information can be really, really significant in determining how difficult it will be to win one of these car crashes, because they can really establish unequivocally whether someone was speeding, whether they slowed down, whether they hit the brakes, things of that nature. And then there's just other things such as road conditions, time of day, admissions. If the other party says it was my fault, that can make a big difference. Things such as how bad the injuries are, whether someone was on the clock or off the clock at the time. So there's a lot of different factors, that some of which can be known right away, like shortly after the crash when you speak to a lawyer, and some of it sort of gets gathered and uncovered over time, and that can make a difference in how difficult it is to win a car crash lawsuit.